Hello and welcome to El Segundo News, where we inform you about issues and topics happening in the city of El Segundo. I'm Tolly Anderson. On November 5th, 2024, El Segundo residents cast their votes in the general municipal election. Here are the preliminary and unofficial election standings as of November 19th, 2024. Incumbent Mayor Drew Boyles, council candidate Michelle Keldorf, and incumbent council member Lance Giroux led the race for the 3 open city council seats. The leading write-in candidate for the open city clerk seat is Susan Truax. On December 3rd, the Board of Supervisors is scheduled to declare the election concluded. During the regular City Council meeting on December 17th, City Council will certify the election, the City Clerk will give the oath of office to the newly elected officials, and the newly seated City Council will elect the Mayor and Mayor Pro Tem. For more information on the El Segundo municipal election, contact the City's Clerk's office at 310-524-2308 or send an email to allcityclerks@elsegundo.org. December is National Impaired Driving Prevention Month. According to the National Safety Council, weekends and holidays can be dangerous times to be on the roads, with Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve amongst the deadliest. While drugs and alcohol impaired driving, fatigue and stress can also threaten your safety as a driver. Please drive carefully this month, and for more information, visit nsc.org. And local police not only want to make sure that you are driving safely, but they also want to make sure that you are riding safely as well. Sign up for the free e-bike Sense Safety course, where a certified cycling instructor will tell you how to safely operate your e-bike. Related laws and recommended equipment will also be covered. The next class happens on Saturday, December 14th from 10 a.m. to noon. Bring your helmet and e-bike. For more information, more details, and location, visit the calendar section on elsegundo.org. The long-awaited newly monument entry sign at the corner of Main Street and Imperial Highway is scheduled to be installed this month. The design concept is an old-time postcard inspiration and draws from the city's rich history. It will include bold, clean, and modern features, inviting visitors to explore all that El Segundo has to offer. Also included in the installation are repairs to landscaping and irrigation and new electrical connections. That project schedule may change due to the weather or other unforeseen external factors. 2 projects will improve our city's ramps and streets. Non-compliant curb ramps will be removed and replaced, and truncated domes on curb ramps will be installed at multiple locations in El Segundo. Also, pavement rehabilitation is happening on various alleys and sections of streets in our city. The project also includes drainage improvements, striping removal, restriping, and resurfacing. For detailed schedules for both projects, specific streets where construction will take place, and hours of construction, visit the Public Works section at elsegundo.org. And all the city's road improvements have not gone unnoticed. The El Segundo Boulevard Improvement Project has won a Best Project of the Year award. The American Public Works Association has awarded the project Best of the Year in the transportation category for road improvements. The $8 million project kicked off in October 2023 and is now complete. It included traffic signal upgrades, ADA ramps and sidewalk improvements, pavement rehabilitation, bike lane installation, and median landscapes on sections of El Segundo Boulevard and some adjoining streets. Congratulations to the Public Works Department. The South Bay City's Council of Governments is recognizing the City of El Segundo with a gold-level achievement for sustainability and energy efficiency efforts for the 2024 calendar year. Among the city's efforts are implementation of the local travel network, energy efficiency upgrades to lighting and HVAC systems at city facilities, hosting several environmental events including the Eco Gardener Workshop and Compost Giveaway, along with holding monthly environmental committee meetings that are open to the public. Now, the award is through the South Bay Energy and Climate Recognition Program. And El Segundo is on a winning streak. The Government Finance Officers Association has awarded the City of El Segundo a Certificate of Achievement for Excellence in Financial Reporting for the fiscal year that ended on June 30th, 2023. This is the highest form of recognition in governmental accounting and financial reporting, and the award is given to governments that can produce annual financial reports that display transparency and full disclosure. This is the 8th consecutive year our city has received this award. Congratulations to our finance department. And get in the holiday spirit and celebrate the 32nd anniversary of the Spark of Love Toy Drive by donating to make a difference. Just drop off new unwrapped toys or sport equipment at Fire Station 1 on weekdays through December 19th between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Over the years, Spark of Love has collected and distributed nearly 11 million toys for underserved children and teens in Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Orange, Ventura, and Riverside counties. For more information, visit elsegundofd.org. The El Segundo Police Department is also bringing Christmas joy to less fortunate children through the Toys for Tots toy drive. You can drop off a new unwrapped toy at 2 locations until December 5th. The El Segundo Police Department lobby will accept donations Monday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the Mattel headquarters holiday tent at 1955 East Grand Avenue will be available Tuesday and Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. For more information, visit elsegundopd.org. The Recreation, Parks, and Library Department is proud to present the annual Joy Around the World Festival of Holidays and Tree Lighting event on Thursday, December 5th from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. This family-friendly event combines El Segundo's Christmas tree lighting tradition with the celebration of winter holidays from around the world, including Christmas, Diwali, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Noche Buena, and Omosaka. Come enjoy live music, cultural dance performances, craft-making stations, food vendors offering multicultural cuisines, homemade crafts for sale, a train ride for children, and a visit from Santa Claus with a gift giveaway. Joy Around the World takes place on the 300 block of Main Street and at City Hall Plaza, and it is free to the public. For more information, call 310-524-2700. Looking for a place to shop for unique gifts this holiday season? Stop by the annual Holiday Boutique hosted by the El Segundo Women's Club on Saturday, December 7th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at their clubhouse at 541 Standard Street. Local artisans and vendors will display their artwork, jewelry, clothing, handmade soap, tasty treats, and more. For more information, visit elsegundowomensclub.org or email eswcboutique@gmail.com. The Point in El Segundo is inviting guests to enjoy magical snow showers from 6 to 8 p.m. every Saturday in December. Snow flurries will fall on the grass at the Point every half hour with holiday music. And for more information, you can visit thepointsb.com. The El Segundo Chamber of Commerce's 60th annual holiday parade will take place on Sunday, December 8th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. This year's theme is Candy Cane Lane on Main. Watch and admire the marching bands, creative floats, and vintage vehicles as they travel down Main Street from Imperial Avenue to El Segundo Boulevard. Awards will be presented for Best Use of Theme, Best Holiday Spirit, Best Performers, and Best Musical Band. For more information, visit elsegundochamber.com. The El Segundo Public Library is celebrating the holidays with 2 events at the Sue Carter Community Room. The youth holiday program Light Up the Holidays is on December 12th from 6 to 6:45 p.m. Come enjoy this family-friendly evening of stories, songs, and crafts. Children of all ages are welcome and registration is not required. The Adult and Teen Services staff will be hosting the annual A Jolly Good Time holiday program on December 16th from 6 to 7 p.m. and that will include crafts, music, cookies, and hot chocolate. For more information about these free events, visit elsegundolibrary.org. El Segundo's dazzling tradition, Candy Cane Lane, returns this December to end the year on a bright note. The neighborhood of homes along the 1200 block of East Acacia Avenue will be sparkling with light displays and decorations through the month. Santa Claus will make an appearance on December 14th at 7 p.m. for the kickoff night celebration and will return on December 17th through the 20th. Here's Recreation Supervisor Sean Green with more on this event.
Really excited this year to announce that we are doing a shuttle for 5 nights. Starts at Rec Park for a pickup and it drops off at Sycamore Park. It'll go 4:30 to 10:30. It's 5 nights. It's December 14th, December 15th, December 20th, December 21st, and December 22nd. Santa's going to visit us several times throughout the 2 weeks we're going to be open. We're just excited. We worked really hard with the residents to make some changes over the years. It'll be the same event for the most part, but with the new shuttle and all those details, we're really excited to announce some new attractions.
Every year, spectators come from all over California to experience the magic of Candy Cane Lane. The El Segundo Kiwanis Club and El Segundo Police Officers Association are excited to announce that Santa Claus will be riding through town on his sleigh to meet all the children of El Segundo, and to track Santa's route, visit the El Segundo Police Department's Facebook page. The Recreation Parks and Library Department's annual community Christmas Eve dinner brings neighbors and friends together to enjoy a free and delicious meal. This tradition returns to the Joslyn Center on December 24th from 12 to 3 p.m. This event is open to the public and is also available for free delivery. Please RSVP before December 20th in person or by calling the Joslyn Center at 310-524-2705. If you are interested in volunteering, please contact the Joslyn Center for more information. And finally, join El Segundo dignitaries at City Hall Plaza for the annual Menorah lighting ceremony on Monday, December 30th at 5:30 p.m. All are welcome to celebrate the Festival of Lights with potato latkes, jelly donuts, gifts for kids, and Hanukkah music and dancing. That's it for this segment of El Segundo News. You can also watch more city-related videos on the El Segundo Media YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.